In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create a RAID array on a Windows environment using the ARCCONF utility.
Download and extract the ARCCONF utility to a specified directory. Open PowerShell with administrator privileges. Navigate to the directory where the utility was extracted.
Let's start by verifying the current setup. Run the command arcconf.exe getconfig1ar. As shown, no arrays configured confirms that the controller is ready for a new setup. Next, we need to identify the drive locations. Enter arcconf.exe getconfig1pd to list all physical devices. For this demonstration, we will be using 3 drives located on channel 0, device 0, 1, and 2 to build our RAID 5 volume. Now, we'll execute the creation command. You can type arcconf.exe create at any time to review the syntax and optional parameters. We will use the following command. Arcconf create one logical drive name RAID 5 method, default max 5000102 no prompt. In name RAID 5, assigns a label to the volume. Max uses all available capacity. 5 specifies RAID level 5, 000102. Target drives on channel 0 from devices 0, 1, and 2. No prompt. Forces the command to run immediately without manual confirmation. Once you see command completed successfully, the array is ready. To verify, run arcconf getconfig1ar once more. You can now see the logical device RAID 5 with an optimal status. Your RAID configuration is now complete.